Hey guys, Glen, how are you? Hope you're doing great. In this episode, we are reviewing OMEGA. This is the first Telegram automated traffic bot kind of thing that's out there. It's looking pretty cool. What we're going to do is we're going to go through, I'll show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of bonuses for you. We'll go through a demo video, and then we'll go through some of the one-time offers. There's a lot. There's 11 OTOs, so I'm not going to go through all of them. You'll just have to sort of go through and watch each video and see which ones are best for you. Now, why would you want a bot kind of thing that works on Telegram? Well, bots are very popular. They work great for automating a lot of stuff. I have bots on my Twitter. I have bots on my Facebook. They work really well. They convert really well while I'm away doing stuff. So if you want something for that, like that for Telegram, this is really cool. They've also done a whole bunch of campaigns for you. So they basically just are able to interact on Telegram very quickly, building a following and building, getting a bunch of people to look at your link. So let's take a look at the demo of this and see what you think of it, and then we'll go. Oh, first we're gonna look at the bonus page. Okay, let me jump over there first, so you know what you're getting here. This is my mega bonus page. I'm going to probably be switching it up a bit, but if I'm not going to take anything away, I'll be adding to it. So basically we've got some content marketing stuff, some high profit blog secrets. We've got some social content, SEO ranking, and I'm going to be adding a few more to this. So you'll be getting a great bonus suite there. Now let's pop over to the sales page so we can take a look at that together. And then let's look at the sales page, and then we'll look at the demo. So the world's first autopilot Telegram traffic app gets you unlimited free buyer traffic in 10 seconds. Is it going to be 10 seconds? Well, maybe once you've got it all set up, but it's going to take some setup time, guys. So really, but you know what? I looked at the back office, and I'll show you. It's really pretty basic. There's some training you're going to have to watch just so you know how to connect all your Telegram app to the back office. So experience free traffic in seconds, dozens of happy beta testers, 100% automated hands. Now they say they've made $37,000. There's no way to prove that. So always take these claims and with a grain of salt, guys. These guys are marketers. They make a lot of money. Did they make it from this? We don't know. But for $17, guys, it's a pretty good tool. And let's see. Oh, and one lucky buyer will win an Apple MacBook Air worth $997. Well, that's a bonus $17 lottery ticket. Okay, so let's go down and see what you actually get with this. There's a lot of sales copy here, and then we're going to get down to what comes with the software. So what are you gonna do? They also have a bunch of bonuses on here, which is pretty cool too. So you're getting a ton for the front end traffic. Okay, step 1, purchase. Step 2, relax. So, yeah. Congrats. Money is no object. Let's go. More sales stuff. Okay, here we go. Grab Omega now. You get leverage our new app, 3 figures a day. Your own profit delivers ClickBank. So it's really for. Okay, so you get the new Omega software. You get step-by-step tutorials. You get the quick start guide. You get the ready fire checklist. You get a customer only. You an A call, guaranteed approval for instant profit. So what happens if any of the programs that they say to promote through this, they're going to get you instant access to make sure that you get paid commissions on it. So that is basically it. Let's jump on and take a look at the demo, and then we'll look at the OTOs, and then I'll give you my opinion on this software. So here is the demo. I'll be back in a few minutes.
Hey guys, welcome back. Now in this video we are going to discuss about the Telegram automation. In our last video we have already discussed how you can implement the group, you can implement the group bot, and how you can add that with our Omega software. Now in this video we are going to discuss how you can utilize the same. So here we go. First we will discuss about the replies. Suppose anyone is commenting or messaging anything on your group, then how you can reply automatically to them. So first of all, you have to click over here on new reply, and here you can find a section keyword. Suppose someone is commenting hello. Now in this response, you can add so this is how this automation for reply can be created. So if you save it, you can see the reply is set. So now whenever anyone will comment hello on your message of that particular group of yours, then auto-generated auto-generated message of hi, how are you will be replied to them. Now the next interesting part, that is the replies in last 30 days. That means the particular reply, how many times the reply has been done to on that group by your bot will be shown over here. The number of times you can see, and from here you can choose the number of percentage. So I'm going to save it. And now if you want to add new reply, just click over here and add new keyword, and from here add new replies. Okay, so we have already discussed about the channel and groups. If you want to add more, you have to go over here and you have to search out for the group, or you can connect the group from here and you can connect channel from here. The same way we have added the last one. So if I click over here, you can see here is an option to be able to automate message on group or channel. You have to connect your Telegram group or channel to the bot. So if I click over here on bot, that means now it is available for bot operation. Otherwise the bot operation may not be happened. And here also you can add a auto generated message. Suppose, as we have already shown you how you can add replies by having keyword. Now if there is no keyword found for that particular reply, then how you can reply that? If no particular keyword is found, then you can add just like this. So whenever anyone will message anything, and in response if there is no keyword available for that particular message, then the reply will be sent to them. Now from here you can find the subscriber. From here you can find the history, the latest conversation. From here the added phone number will be available, and from here you can find the email address, and here you can find the audit logs. We have already discussed what is that, the reply statistics. Choose your group and find the replies. So guys, that is how interesting it is, and that is how you can reply to your group member, to your channel partner, whatever you say, without any difficulties. It will be as easy as we are showing over here. Thank you. See you on the next video.
All right, so it wasn't the best demo, I will admit, but you can see that it's actually a bot. And if you've used any sort of bots for Facebook or anything like that, then you know how they work, and you get in there and really make it powerful. They also have, let me just jump over to, let me find the back office here. Here it is. All right, let me just show you here. So you've got these are all the Warrior Plus links that are right in here for you. You get the sales page, and you grab the deal. You grab you get your affiliate link, and then what you go in and you can go into the creator and you create basically Telegram ads. and you're able to do this and then automate them into Telegram, which is really cool. This is a template one for a big summer sale kind of thing. It looks like it's pretty easy to edit. You would just go in and create it. I haven't gone through the tutorials, guys, so this is going to show me the layers. So as you can see, there's an image in the background. So power up, flash sale, save the planet. So these are a bunch of templates, guys. So pretty cool stuff. And then you can basically have them do anything. So it's video in the background. It's just all layers that are fit for the Telegram template. So you're able to blast this stuff out. Your text go on top. Uploads, images. They got a whole bank of images and stuff like that. So there's a ton of stuff, guys. You just gotta go crazy on it. So what you would do is you would basically blast out to Telegram. You can blast out these really cool ads automatically. If people reply, then you can get into a conversation with them, but without being in a conversation. It's like it's the bot doing the work for you, which is really, really cool. All right, so let's go into the OTOs. So guys, remember, I want to get a thumbs up for this. If you scroll off the page, you're always going to get the discount. You're going to get one of these pop-up discounts. So the first one is the unlimited buyer traffic. So whatever limitations they do on the front end sale for $17, you get it unlocked. And you saw for $39, you get $10 off, I think it was. So you get it for $29. The next one is a, you save $230 on this one because it's regularly $297. You get it for $67. This is the done for you. So they basically set everything up for you. So that's, whenever these are there, and if this is a tool that you want to use, then these are great. These done for yous are great, and for $67, that's pretty cool. So that's the OTO done for you. The next one is you get a $7 discount on this one, and this is autopilot, scaling tutorials, auto lock. Just more sort of each upsell. Remember, guys, are going to be just a little bit more bang for your buck, right? And that's why they do it this way. Another $200 discount for this one. This is the 10,000 buyer leads, unlock 10,000 instant leads. So they're going to probably give you a Telegram list. Granted, I don't know how good that list is, but if you can get one sale of it, you get it. So one-time sale, 200. I think what was the 200? I don't know what the discount was. And then you get it for 97 or 67, like that, something like that. So 10,000 leads for $67, it might be worth it. If you can get one sale, two sales out of it, you're going to get your money back, and then market to them. And then this is another $10 off for done for you money templates. So these are another set of templates they're going to do for you. And then, guys, there's actually more OTOs. There's quite a few more, but I'm not going to go through every single one of them because you kind of get the picture. Go through each one, see what you think of it. But basically, what do I think of this program? I think it's okay. I don't like all the money claims, and I think they could have done a much better demo. That kind of like it's a little bit like, guys, do a demo of like how easy it is to make it, but they didn't. So I might fool around with in the background and in the back end and check out the software a little bit more. I definitely think grabbing this tool for $17 is great. And don't buy it and just refund it if you're not interested. If you're not going to use the tool, then don't. The tool's going to work. You're going to get subscribers and you're going to get traffic from Telegram, definitely. If that's one of the platforms that you really like using, then I think it's a great tool for you. I'm on Telegram. I don't do a lot with it. I prefer my YouTube, my Instagram, and my Twitter. That's what I'm used to. Those are my tools. I got a little bit of TikTok, but not much. But those are my tools. But I know some people that love Telegram. They're just loving it because they want to be able to message, but they don't want to deal with Facebook Messenger. So if you're that person, then this could be a really great tool for you. So I recommend grabbing it. You get all my bonuses. Like I said, I try to reiterate this. Don't just buy software and then get refunded because you actually will get blocked from platforms for if you do too many refunds. They just won't allow your email or your credit card to buy anymore because they don't want people just buying and refunding, buying, refunding, buying, refunding. So that is my Omega review, demo, walkthrough, trial, bonuses. But yeah, I think if you're into Telegram, check it out. I think it's a good tool for 17 bucks, or well, you get it for 12, I think, with a discount. And then if you do want to pick up the OTOs, remember, you can also, once you get into the back end of the software, you can try it out. And then if there's something that you want, usually the bonuses are there. A lot of times they still have the discount on it when you go to because the page is automated with that pop-up. I can't guarantee that, so I can't guarantee you'll get it for the best price when you're going through the funnel. But a lot of times they do have that. So that's something that, if you're willing to take the risk, and you're kind of like, well, if I get it for that discount, but if you're going to get it, you probably think it's going to be valuable. So whatever the price is at that point, then you probably would want to pick it up. So again, this has been Omega review and bonus page. And by the way, check out my other links. Those are the businesses that I work in, and those are my money making one. I also have my 6-figure blueprint checklist, which is really cool. It's a very simple PDF that will give you really no sort of bullshit way to make money. It's just solid ways to make money. Get a good offer with an upsell, send some traffic to it, and again, you could use this tool to implement my 6-figure blueprint checklist. So like I said, this is just one of the tools you could use. So hopefully you like the review, guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up for my algorithm for the YouTube, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.